If you like to hide these numbers, okay, these are nothing but the labels. If you like to hide these labels, then what we have to do? We have to go to here, hide labels. We can hide it directly. Even though if you are applied here, you can hide from here. That's about a one more option available. Similarly, whatever tools which are available here, these are the things we have been discussed. Title, caption, summary. Okay, these are available here also. Okay, title, caption, summary, legend. If you like to hide uh, this side, this one, if you like to hide, you can select this one to hide that one. Okay, similarly, legends like this. If you like to hide any filter you like to apply, you can apply here. Highlighter you can apply directly from here. No need to go to worksheet and create actions and highlights and all. Okay, then one more thing, you can view standard view. Okay, this is the standard view. Fit to width, everything will be fitted to the width of the window. Fit to height, it will be fitted to the height of the chart. Okay, entire data, entire view, entire thing will be shown here. Okay, based on a requirement we have to select the view type. Based on a requirement we have to select the view type. Then it comes about a inserting a next page. For example, this is a one page we have been creating. Okay, we would like to add a one more chart. If you like to add a one more chart, then what we can do, we can use this here, new chart, new worksheet, not chart here, new worksheet. If you like to duplicate this particular worksheet, then you can use this one, duplicate worksheet. Here same worksheet has been duplicated. Okay, if you like to delete that one, right click, delete. If you like to rename that one, right click on that sheet 1, rename, and give the name like bar chart. Like this we have been given a name. If you like to add a worksheet here, here itself you can add a worksheet, new worksheet you can add here itself, or you can come back here. Okay, add a new worksheet, or you can go to worksheet and new worksheet. All three possibilities are there. Duplicate, this one is for a duplicate, this one for a adding a worksheet, or we can come back here and new worksheet. Like this we can add a one more worksheet, and you can start creating a one more visuals. Like we can say that product id. Okay, here we have to select, here you can select product id basis. For example, product id should be in a row. Okay, row wise product id has been taken. Then I would like to know the quantity or price I would like to take. Okay, price, like this we can add it here. Okay, add it here. Okay, then it comes, for example, if you are selecting this one, it is not highlighted. To highlight that one, we have to select this one, disable working highlights. Okay, so that it will be highlighting. And there we have to enable, there we have to which field you would like to highlight. Okay, like this you can highlight the that particular table here. Okay, like this we can use this highlighter also. For example, if you like to change this one, okay, to any other graph. Okay, for example, tree map. Okay, this will be a tree map. For example, you would like to have a color already taken. Okay, already taken a size also, size depends upon the price, color also depend upon the price, and labels already taken. Okay, for example, if you like to have a tooltip as a quantity, then take it to a tooltip, so quantity will be shown in a tooltip. Okay, like this we can have a different type of the product wise, we can have a visualization here. Okay, again same things will be available, same formatting, everything you can do here by using this format we already discussed. Okay, to change or show or hide the filters, you can use a filters, you can use a page. Okay, like this you can use other things also to get it done for a like this. If you have selected this one, this particular chart, how it will look? One above the other. Okay, if you selected a pie chart, it will look like this. Okay, if you selected this bubble chart, bubble wise it will be shown. Different colors are shown in a bubble. Similarly, this bubble chart you can use like this. Round it will be changing based on a data. Similarly, if you are going to this one, okay, the table with a different color. If you selected this one, it will be size of the this particular bar changes based on a quantity. Okay, in our labels, if you take quantity to be in a labels, okay, here you can see, okay, that particular labels you can change. Measures also can change according to sum, mean, median, mode, like that you can change the this one also. Okay, similarly, if you selected a normal, it will be like this. Okay, based on which chart you have been selected, based on that the entire thing will be splitted. Okay, the entire thing will be shown based on a which data you are selecting. For example, price, what is the maximum price, minimum price, mid price, okay, 75% price, 25% price, okay, like this quantity. For this one, for a price, you can show by using a candlestick like this. You can use a many other diagrams also like this. Okay, you can select this one, you can use this one. Okay, depending upon your requirement, okay, we have to change the graphs, we have to change the graphs. Okay, like this we can create a new sheet and you can rename that one. Right click, rename into a like a will tree map will use. Okay, we'll change this one to tree map here and show me like this. Okay, this is a how can we insert a new sheets in a worksheets in a tableau.